Hi, I am Stanley Tan. I am the Sales Director for Southeast Asia. Today, I'm going to talk about the ever-increasing demand of high-performance plastics for commercial aerospace applications. Commercial aerospace manufacturers seek every opportunity to enhance their customers' in-flight experience through innovative design and application development support from industry experts. With industry requirements like increased payload capabilities, improved fuel efficiency, weight reduction, zero galvanized corrosion with carbon fiber composites, reduced friction on wear surfaces, and chemical resistance to common aircraft fluids, commercial aerospace manufacturers rely on material selection experts like Roncelli Plastics. As a trusted commercial aerospace supplier, Roncelli Plastics utilize extensive material knowledge and manufacturing know-how to machine the precise positional tolerance required for every component while also providing guidance on designing for manufacturability. For example, interior application on aircraft brackets, handles, frames, and gasket, the key requirements are flame, smoke, toxicity, noise, and weight reduction. With these requirements, plastic being selected are Ultem, PIC, nylon, and Radial. Another example, propulsion application on high-temperature bushing, thermal insulators, valve seals, gasket and bearings. The key requirements are high operating temperature with excellent chemical and wear resistance. Thus, selected plastics are Vespol, Tolon, Celazol, PIC, Delrin, and Riton. Same logic for structural application on landing gears, braking system, sensor systems, and actuator system. Selected high-performance plastics are meant to achieve dimensional, temperature, vibration stability, and are chemically resistant. With end result in mind, Roncelli Plastics' dedication to precision manufacturing and understanding of material specification creates the highest customer satisfaction. Please contact Roncelli for your next mission-critical plastic parts order.